right, 12:07, with the ongoing war in Israel, we've seen some tensions even right here at home, and really more need to create understanding between different cultures, different religions. But something really special is happening today at schools all across the city of Atlanta.
They are celebrating each other's differences. Atlanta News First reporter Rebecca Schramm live in Southwest Atlanta at Mays High School. So Rebecca, students got a very interesting lesson today.
Rick and Joy, for the 8th year in a row, the Anti-Defamation League has named Atlanta Public Schools a No Place for Hate district. And what we saw here today explains why. At first, Mays High School students gathered for the assembly to celebrate No Place to Hate Day couldn't read the signs their classmates were holding. But then they were asked to walk past this living museum so they could see why the students are sometimes bullied for their height, their brains, their bodies, or what they wear.
Over the years, I've been bullied about my skirts, and that's a part of my religion.
Sophomore Samantha Eason is Pentecostal.
Sometimes it upsets me, or I get sad about it.
Students of other faiths can relate.
People don't look at us, or even when they do, they look at us differently from every other student.
Students taking part in the exhibit say it was nice to hear words of encouragement from people who might now want to get to know them for who they are.
It kind of made me cry a little bit because it's something I never experienced before. So to be able to do this is just it's really good.
And that's what we want to encourage, right? That we see everyone, we love you, we want you here, and this is a place where you can come and feel safe and belong and meet different people who are different from you.
And students who attended the ceremony took an oath to stop bullying when they see it and to always treat others with respect. Live in Southwest Atlanta, Rebecca Schramm, Atlanta News First.